On December 7th, 2019, United Parents and Students gathered to outline our policy plans for 2020 and beyond. After gathering hundreds of testimonies from community members and sharing some of those testimonies during our 6th annual assembly, we outlined what steps we are taking to fight back against the housing crisis, gang violence, poor supermarket quality, and predatory lenders. In 2020, UPAS will be collaborating with the City of Los Angeles to expand access to affordable housing and improve rental protections. We will also work with the county to increase youth violence prevention services and to make access to high-quality supermarkets more equitable. Finally, UPAS will be organizing for greater access to fair credit options to combat predatory lending. We shared these plans with community partners and leaders who gave insight that would help push our strategies forward and committed to partner with us in making these plans a reality. For more detailed information of how we plan to fight back and to join us in this movement, visit www.unitedparentsandstudents.org and follow us on social media at United Parents and Students.